Hello guys, uh, so before starting my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And today I'm going to show how to write superscript and subscript. Okay, so for example, if you have to write x square x cube, okay, x to the power 4 5, then how to write that type of number above the normal line, okay, on the top, as well as I'm also going to show how to write subscript, okay, below normal line. So for this, I'm going to open my Word document first. Okay. Now here I have already written such that it would be easier to learn, easier to catch such type of things to you. If you uh, use Control Shift and plus key together, then you can able to write superscript. Okay, here 2 is in superscript, and similarly if you use control and plus, then you can write subscript. Okay, the number below normal line, number above normal line here. So I'm going to show how to use it. Just for example, I want to write x square. Okay, so first press x and write 2. Okay, now here 2 is okay on the normal line. So how to bring 2 above normal line? For this, first of all select 2. Okay, now use control shift plus key, control shift and plus. So by this way you can write superscript. So to bring it on normal way, you can again click same key, control shift and plus. Now it is in normal mode. Okay, now how to write subscript? Press x, press 2, select 2. Now use control and plus key. Okay, so by this way you can write superscript and subscript. So thank you so much guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. Thank you so much for watching this video till end. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe please. Thank you so much.